Welcome back, students. In the earlier lecture, we have initiated our base map. So we'll see some of the other base maps that are available. So I will search for leaflet base maps and provide a demo. So this is an excellent source for leaflet maps. Like this is OpenStreetMap, and you can choose any map from here. And you see the style is changing. You can have maps like this. Also like the black maps, or like this Islamic watercolor looks pretty nice. That you are drawing something on your paper, and also it has the. Actually, there's a lot of base maps. So actually, you can include any of the base maps or multiple base maps inside your leaflet, inside your code. So this is actually already measuring. So what you need to do, you need to just copy this chunk of code. So actually, what we'll be using, we'll include a few from here. So the first that we'll be doing is CartoDB positron. Actually, I like this CartoDB. So actually, you can use any one. It's completely okay. You can choose any one, and the process is same. So I see that what is the CartoDB. So CartoDB positron, this one. And how will do that? I will copy this chunk of code. Okay, and I'll copy that, and I will include that here. CartoDB positron. Actually, I do not need the attributions and subdomain, so I'll remove that. I'll remove that, and I'll be needing the sorry, and I'll be needing the max zoom, and I will set it to 23. 23. It's the spaces. So this is CartoDB positron, and I include another one, HG ordinary. So I'll search for HG ordinary. So I'll copy this code and paste it here. That I will be not adding the attribution control. Okay, so I will remove the attribution from here, and I will set the max zoom to 23. Okay, and I will remove the extra spaces that I have. And okay, now let's add the CartoDB positron as our base map, and let's see that how it is looking. So I will set CartoDB positron, add true. I have save it, and now refresh our webmap. Okay, and let's see if we have an error. Okay, there is a typo. I have Baymap, sorry, with my map, and now refresh it again. This is the CartoDB positron base map. It looks a very nice, simple map. And if you want to add the HU imagery, you can also do that. Just copy that. HU imagery, add to my map. Okay. And let's refresh it. And this is the HU imagery as the base map. But I'll be using another one, Google Streets or Google Open Street, sorry, Google Maps. This one that we are normally used to view in our Google Maps. So actually, this base map layer is not available here. So I have another link. I'll copy that and paste it here. And you can copy this code and use that in your own WebGIS applications. It's completely okay. So I will copy that chunk of code and paste it here. It's the same process, but I'll be using that by default, and this is the Google Streets. This is the tile layer for Google Streets. So you need to write this process exactly. It's starting the tile layer. So it's the default syntax. And I will be using Google Streets as my default base map. Later we'll see that how we can change our base maps as a drop down. We'll see that one by one. So now if I refresh it, so now we have our Google Maps as our base map. Okay. So this is the tile layer, and this is how we can change the base maps. And I will do another two things. In our map control, I will set the attribution control to false. Attribution control to false, and I'll also set the zoom control to false. Okay. So it will remove our zoom control, and also if you see here in the lower right corner, you see that it's showing a leaflet that we are using the leaflet mapping library. So it is showing the attribution control, but I don't want to show that. And also the zoom control is here, but I want the zoom control to be here. So later I will add the zoom control separately. So I want to get rid of these two things. Therefore, I have set the attribution control to false and also the zoom control to false. And now if I refresh it, these two should be gone from my map. It is gone, it is also gone. Okay, so from the next lecture, we'll add some extensions to use more functionality to our web map. So see you in the next lecture.